What's up, people? We're back again with another video. I'm actually pretty surprised. I'm doing so good. I thought maybe today I'm gonna take a little break, but no, we're back with another video. As you can see, the car is up on jack stands already. That's because we are changing. We're flushing the old coolant, filling it up with fresh coolant. So let's give this a try. I've never done a coolant change on the E46, but I have seen my uncle doing it. I always get my uncle to do it on my car. He's an OG mechanic, so you know, I've learned from him. Hopefully I'll know how to do it, so let's see how it goes. And right away, guys, the first controversy is the coolant I'm using, which is not genuine. What the hell is you talking about? It's not genuine BMW coolant, which everybody recommends and everybody says I should get. I do have distilled water, so that's good. I'm not going to use regular tap water. The thing is, the guy at the shop did not have at the time BMW coolant, so he did say to me that this is what he used in his own personal car, which he showed me. He does use a BMW as well, and he said he never had any trouble with it. This is a 5 liter concentrate, so here are the stats. You could what's the word I'm looking for? Dilute 50-50 to with water to achieve a minus 35 degrees resistance, or whatever you want to call it. English, not so good. Okay, so roast me all you want, guys, but basically why I'm changing the coolant at the moment is because unfortunately I have to go back to Ireland for like 2-3 months, hopefully 2-3 months. So this car is going to stay here. I know, sad, but basically I don't want, as some of you may know, the winters in Poland are pretty harsh, so I don't want anything to go wrong with the coolant system. So just in case, I am changing it for fresh coolant. It might not be the best quality, but I'm pretty sure it's better what's inside. So let's go. It's gonna be a long video. Okay, so here's my dirty old carpet. Comes in handy, you know. As far as I know, guys, it's a pretty easy job to do. So basically what you need to do is just take off the under tray. There's just a few bolts holding it in, so take that off, and then there should be a blue cap at the radiator, and you just take that off. So I'll get back with you as soon as I take the under tray off. Alright, so the under tray is off, and initially I thought you're supposed to take off the blue cap, but I think the blue cap is attached to the expansion tank, and what we want to do is unlock the one that goes into the radiator, and that's the radiator cap. So at least I hope so, guys. I'm learning as I'm going along, so if you guys looking for an actual tutorial on how to do this, I would probably suggest trying to find a different video. So I'm gonna undo this. Alright, so the cap is off, and I think what I need to do now is remove the top expansion tank cap to release the vacuum. Yeah, I can hear it going on, dropping out properly now. Yeah, there we go. We'll leave that to the side. And as you can see, guys, the coolant is greenish slash really watery. I don't know if the camera picks that up really well, but I am aware. I used to work, when I was still in school, I used to work in a garage slash car wash, so I know what these guys are doing when you go in for your coolant change or whatever. The ratio they mix the coolant with are really poor, and also they just add regular tap water, so that's not good. So we'll let the coolant drain, and then I'll fill it up with new coolant, and then we'll try to bleed the system. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so we are back. I have drained the fluid. I've already reattached the screws from the bottom. So we are actually ready to fill it up with coolant. I've already mixed the coolant 50-50. Like I said before, I know everybody says I have to use blue, but they did not have blue in the stores, and I'm like leaving in like a couple of days, so I won't have time to get deliveries. So at least it's fresh coolant for winter that I know it will withstand until I come back. So I'm gonna fill it up with coolant, and then we'll try bleed it out. It's my first time doing a coolant change on my own, so go easy on me, guys. But also, do let me know in the comments. I do read them, despite me not making a video in like 6 months. But yeah, I do read them. Let me know. Okay, so let me put you on the tripod. Here we go. This car never overheated on me. I never had any issues with the coolant, with cooling itself. I was just worried that it's gonna be so cold, and I don't know what kind of coolant is inside, and I don't want any freezing going on. So let's give it a go. As always, slight spillage. I should have probably got a funnel. A funnel, is that what it's called? But I don't have one. So as soon as this appears to be full, I'm supposed to turn on the heating on full and have the fan on. So the whole cooling system is supposed to recirculate. Like I said, my English not so great today. Anyways, and then I'm supposed to have the bleeder valve open. Oh, here we go, it kind of spilled out. I should probably put this under. I'm just going to put the tray under again. I'm good. Yeah, we're good now. And then the air is supposed to come out through the bleeder valve, and I'm supposed to leave it like that for like on max heat for like 30 minutes or 20 minutes until there's no air coming out, no air bubbles coming out through the system. That way we'll know. Yeah, so that's full now. Okay, so as you can see, that's kind of full now. It won't let me add any more coolant in at the moment. So what I need to do is, okay, so what we need to do is turn on the heating. The video I watched, I'm supposed to leave it like this, not to have the car actually on, and then put it up to max, the max heat that it will go. Make sure the AC is off, and then just have the wind blowing, the fan blowing, sorry. And then hopefully I'm gonna be seeing some air bubbles coming out from the system. So far nothing. I'll keep you updated. Okay, so turns out I was doing this kind of wrong. So you're supposed to have the heater on and the fan blowing at max heat and low speed fan, and then I'm supposed to keep adding coolant until there's nothing but coolant coming out. I kind of rushed it out. I thought that's it, but it was actually still air coming out with the coolant itself. So I'm gonna put you on a tripod again, but hopefully somehow I can manage to put you guys closer. Is that okay? Cool. So now, since the heater is on full heat and low fan speed, I'm gonna add a little bit, and you're supposed to kind of waste it. I thought I'm actually done, but it's not. You're kind of supposed to waste coolant until there's nothing but coolant coming out. So I kind of thought, since there's coolant already coming out from the bleeder, that's that, but that's actually how you bleed the system. So as you can, I don't know if you can tell from the angle, but from the bleeder valve at the moment there's coolant coming out, but also like air bubbles with it as well. So I have the tray under the car, so it's all good, catching all the coolant. So I'm just gonna repeat that until there's nothing but coolant coming out. Okay, so I have everything back up and running. I've bled the system. The car is running okay as of now. I've put everything back on. I didn't want to bore you with like you just have to put the under tray back on. And just checking, the car's been running for like 20 minutes now. It's not overheating. Seems to be running okay. There's no leaks anywhere. Everything seems pretty dry. What I am gonna do is tomorrow morning I'm gonna check the coolant level again and see if it's all good and stuff. I'm gonna go for a test drive now, guys. Give it a few runs and see if it's okay, if it's not overheating. Like I said, I never had overheating issues with this car, so hopefully it's all okay. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys don't watch this as a tutorial. It's just me working on my car and recording it. So let me know what you guys think. It was my first coolant change on my own. I know it's the wrong coolant, like I said 100 times already, but we'll get it fixed when I'm back again. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. I might have another one up. I might do another one tomorrow if I have some time before I go. So till the next one, take it easy. Peace.